One man hiccuped nonstop for 68 years, setting a record that still blows doctors' minds. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, every few seconds, day and night, for his entire adult life. That's over 430 million hiccups, each one interrupting conversations, sleep, and even his job on a farm. He tried every remedy you can think of, from breathing into bags to bizarre home cures, but nothing worked. Doctors couldn't find a cure, and Osborne became a medical mystery. He learned to speak between hiccups and somehow managed to live a full life, even getting married and raising kids. His relentless hiccups finally stopped just 1 year before he died, making Charles Osborne the unbreakable record holder for the world's longest hiccup attack.